Choosing the right storage device is not all about the comparing the capacity and cost. The performance of your computer depends on the technology, storage, speed and reliability of storage device. The two types of storage devices, SDD and SSD, are available. In this video, we will compare both the drives on these aspects. Hi friends, the traditional hard disk drives or HDDs are the basic non-volatile storage device. These hard disk drives are used as a storage device in the laptops and desktops for more than 2 decades. But the SSDs or solid state drives are developed on advanced technology, and these drives are getting more popular because of its speed and performance. So in this video, let's compare the different aspects of both the drives like speed and performance, working principle, cost, storage capacity, power consumption and durability. Speed and performance. However, the technology of hard disk drive has improved significantly in past 2 decades, and the data density of hard disk drive has also increased. But if we talk about the speed of hard disk drive, it has not increased at same pace. The access time of hard disk drive in the range of millisecond, and the sequential read or write time is typically 100 Mbps. This 100 Mbps speed looks not a bad speed, but it is not true. Let's see why. The access time of RAM and cache memory in your computer is very less. The access time of RAM and cache memory is in the order of nanoseconds, which is very less as compared to the access time of these hard disk drive. Think if you have a very high-end CPU with good RAM and graphic card in your computer, but you will not get the best performance of your system if you are using these hard disk drive in your computer. By using the high-end CPU, good RAM and graphic card, the performance of your computer will definitely increase, but the boot time and the application opening and saving will not be so fast because you are using the slower hard disk drive. But in case of SSD, they are much faster with the access time in the range of microseconds, and they have typical read and write speed of 400 Mbps to 500 Mbps, which is 4 to 5 times more than hard disk drive. Even the sequential read and write speed can be achieved in gigabytes per seconds. Now we will try to find out why the SSDs are so fast and SSDs are slower. If you see the internal structure of hard disk drive, it consists of a rotating disk which is known as platters. The rotating speed of these platters is 5400 to 7200 rpm in laptops and up to 10,000 rpm in desktops. The maximum speed can be up to 15,000 rpm in some enterprise version of hard disk. In these hard disk drive, the data is stored magnetically on the platters by using the head. The data is stored in the form of tracks and sectors on the platter. The main reason behind the slow access time of hard disk drive is involvement of moving parts and limitation of speed at which data can be written and read. On the other hand, the SSDs are designed by using the NAND flash memory without any moving part. These SSDs have very fast access time because these SSDs also have a microcontroller and a small cache memory. So, by using the microcontroller, the flash memory cells can be accessed or programmed, and by using the cache memory, the incoming and outgoing data is temporarily stored. That's why the SSD's speed is so fast. The size of data storage device is also known as form factor. So let's compare the two drives in terms of form factor. The current hard disk drive are available in 3.5 form factor for desktop and 2.5-inch form factor for laptops. While the SSDs are available in many form factor, the 2.5-inch form factor is most popular form factor because this drive can be placed in place of hard disk drive. The M-SATA and M2 SSDs are available in very small form factor. They can be used in ultra notebooks and tablets. Now let us discuss how these two drives are connected to the system. The old version hard disk were connected to the system by using PATA interface, but today's hard disk drive are connected to the system by using the SATA interface. The enterprise hard disk version are connected to the system by using SAS interface. The solid state drives MSATA and M2 drives are connected to the system by using SATA interface only. Let us have a look on the both drives in terms of storage capacity. Presently, 1 terabyte storage capacity is the most popular in hard disk drive for desktops and laptops. The 10 terabyte hard disk drive are also popular in desktops, while the SSDs are available for 120 gigabytes to 1 terabyte for laptops and up to 4 terabyte for desktops. The SSDs are most costlier than the hard disk drive. Per gigabytes cost of SSDs are 3 to 4 times more than hard disk drive. The power consumption and reliability, as we have seen that hard disk drive are having moving parts, that's why the power consumption of hard disk drive is more than SSDs. Due to moving mechanism in hard disk drive, they are more prone to damage in case of vibration and shock. The data durability of hard disk drive is more than SSDs, and the data can be stored for a longer time on the hard disk drive. But in case of SSDs, the number of programmed and erased cycle is limited just because they are using NAND flash memory. Typically, the program or erase cycle is limited to 10,000 to 100,000. So that was all about the hard disk drive and solid state drives. As we have seen, the overall SSDs have many advantages over hard disk drive, but as of now, the cost of SSDs are more than HDDs. So if you are looking for big storage in reasonable cost, then you can go with HDDs. But if you are looking for high performance along with larger storage, you should go with solid state drives.